Okay, so in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create an actual brand kit into Canva. The actual process is not that hard, so let's get started. The first thing I want to be doing here is to have access directly into my Canva.com application. Now, the brand kit is only available for pro users, so you might want to be taking that in mind. So when we have now access directly into the Canva, I'm going to focus into the element that says brand. I'm going to click directly inside here where it says brand, and it's going to be telling us right away where we can actually get started with create faster with brand templates. So we can start creating really easily brand templates when you click directly inside of them. I'm going to be continuing this process only into the actual browser. Now when you choose all the actual brand templates, you can click into create a brand template. So basically what's going to happen is going to be asking you to enter a Canva Pro account or a Canva Business account. I'm going to focus only for the free account, and you can be seeing here that into the right or the left section, we can go and choose, for example, different logos, colors, fonts, brand voices, photos, graphics, icons, and charts. Basically here what we can do is to hit into the element that says add new account or add new colors, and basically what's going to happen is going to be showing you all the actual colors that are available directly into this specific charts. You can add specific icons and you can go for add new. Something else, for example, is that you can add a specific graphics, a specific photos for this specific brand kit, the brand voice, and the fonts. In my case, for example, I added this specific color palette that I can be using anytime I would like to use an actual brand template. When you choose the element that says add the logos, for example, you can add your own logos to be instantly recognized and put it directly inside somewhere else. And for example, there are some brand templates that you can be choosing to actually get started. For example, here, a specific brand templates, brand voices, photos, graphics, and something else. When you finish to add your actual brand kit, which in my case, here is my actual brand kit selected, what we can do now is to create an actual new document. When you generate your actual new document, let's say for example that I would like to get started with an actual flyer. When I click directly inside here, basically I'm going to focus into brand, and into brand I go for the element that says start with 3 specific asset colors, and it's going to be giving me 3 different color palettes that I can be choosing. For example, this, I go for shuffle, and all of those elements, all of those specific assets will be applied directly inside my actual brand kit, which in my case would be appeared directly inside here. So basically, when you click directly into your brand kit and you go for import, all of the stuff that you can be generated into your brand kit will be applied right away directly inside your actual design. This will be helping you, for example, just to edit all the logos, all the colors, and all the fonts that you have already added since we have generated your all actual brand kit. And there you have it, a really easily way of how we can actually get started with some in this case some documents that can be helping us to get started with really easily process. And basically the brand kit helps us to import all of this information and to apply it directly inside my actual design. So if you have any question, guys, you can let me know into the comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching, and well, hopefully we can all see you all next time.